Alright, so a friend of mine knew I was searching for a Zippo, but I couldn't find the one I was searching for, so he sent me this one as kind of a joke. But it's still a good Zippo. Let's take a look at it. Normal black box, and on the back it says Zippo U2 Rock Band on a white matte finish, or a white matte case. And it is the U2 Zippo, and the insert's kind of interesting. It says it's the Rock Express series. Rock Express is a trademark of Signatures Network, produced by Zippo, so it's a semi-collectible insert. And let's take a look at this thing. It's on a white matte case, and this one is a brass body, and it was made in, looks like H of 09. Got a steel insert. Plays real good. And that is the U2 Zippo. Pretty nice addition to my collection. The rock section of my collection. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. He sent me this CD also. U2, the best of the 1980 to 1990 of their career. They got some pretty good sound. Knuckle bomb.